Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sorry Sam Beer Reviews. We're back with the beer reviews today, and I'm actually filming this the same day as I filmed the last video, but I'm going to put them out a little bit spaced just to give myself a little break. But anyways, I hope you guys liked Off to the Races. Again, super fun game. And if you haven't looked at the video, go check it out. Super simple, super easy drinking game for you and all your friends. Saying that, and now that I'm out of breath for talking so much, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out the video, makes me feel good about myself, and that's what we're all here to do, right? Absolutely not. We're here about to learn some excellent beers, and today we have Capy Snacks Fruit Punch Ale from Urban Artifact Brewing Companies out of Cincinnati, Ohio. I loved the can. I can't wait to try it, so let's dive right into it. So for Capy Snacks, again, one of the reasons I picked it is I love the can. I think the minimalistic of it is actually really cool, and I've never tried this brewery before, so it sounded exciting. And on top of all that, it is hot as the dickens down by I am in Florida, so a fruit punch beer actually sounded pretty darn good. And again, points for the can. I keep talking about it, but I love capybaras too. They're the world's largest rodent, if you guys didn't already know that. This one's got a little bird on top of sunglasses, so how cool is that? And I could not find my little I didn't do ASMR. Sloppy today. That's what you get though. I couldn't find my little taster cup. I don't know where it went. I had like 8 of them and now they're all gone. So I just have a regular big glass. So I'm just going to pour it all in one go. We're going to get to see what it looks like. I wonder if it's red. It looks peachy-esque. Peachy-esque. Disregard my pour if you don't like it. I know there's snobs out there. And if you guys want to see some really cool pours, I got a video on that too. It's nice and foamy. I love the color of it. Very peachy looking and looks, I wouldn't say, like when I think of fruit punch, I think like red, like Kool-Aid or Hawaiian, that little surfer kid. You guys know what I'm talking, nostalgia trip. But anyways, we'll do the smell test. Ooh. It smells like something, but I can't. It smells kind of like Kool-Aid. It's a little weird. Like there's a hint of juiciness, which it is a fruit ale. There is a hint of that fruitness in it, but like not a fresh fruit like the artificial type of fruit. I'm sure this is good. It's 5% alcohol, by the way, which is right about average for your normal beer. And again, pretty good. I'll put it in the shot. It's where I'm looking at this through my TV screen. It's bizarre seeing myself. I digress. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, it's good. I like that a lot, actually. It has some bitters, kind of that a sour wood. And if you guys have seen any of my other videos, I love sour. So this is very delightful for me. It's not overpowering though. You definitely taste the fruitiness in it, but there's that little bit of bitters right at the end that kind of makes you pucker a little bit, pucker your lips. But I like it. I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna give it. I'll do another sip just to be sure. So I liked it, and then I talked a lot. It's pretty good. I'm gonna give it a 9. A 9 cool capybaras. I'm not going to say what I thought I was about to say. 9 cool capybaras out of 10. It's actually really good. It's really refreshing. I could see myself drinking a few of these. I wouldn't say they're like a whole day drinker, like like Budweiser or something easy like that. But they're pretty good, especially to kind of start you off, or even just like a shower beer after work or something. Delicious, but I like it. It smells good, tastes good. It's a good beer. And I guess you guys don't get any editing magic today since I poured the beer, but we'll go to the outro. So, thank you guys for making it this far into the video. It really makes it, I love seeing it. It makes me feel good about myself. Please keep doing it. And let me guys know if you like me only doing 1 beer. I used to do 3, but I felt like 3 was just a lot. I mean, let's be honest. I don't know how often people want to watch a beer review for 25 minutes. I don't blame you, but let me know if you like just the 1 beer, or I could do 2, or comparisons, or just kind of I can fly by the seat of my pants and see what I feel like that day if I don't get any responses. But let me know. I like pleasing you guys. I like hearing what you guys have to say. I guess I'm not that creative anymore, so let me know if you have any ideas of beers or drinks or suggestions, anything. I'm open for anything. I'm still There was a time where I was going to do diaper Olympics, but that may have been, I'm not cool enough for that, I'm sorry. I don't look good in diapers, that's bottom line. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and cheers. I'm going to finish this. I hate, you know, that's almost what stinks was when you buy a good beer, because you don't want to chug it, you want to savor it. But that's what I do, and that's the thing my mom doesn't like, if I remember correctly. Cheers. Whoa. Goes down a little thick. It's a little thicker of a beer, but chuggability's there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Badlands Chugs and LA Beach, that's who the guys I always used to call out. Let me know if you want to do a chug off. I always like watching your videos. It'd be fun doing a chug off with you guys. I think you'll be surprised. The old Gullet's still got it. But anyways, cheers guys. Have a great day. God bless.